The HDFC Millennia Credit Card is designed for individuals looking to maximize cashback and rewards while making online or retail purchases. But is it worth having in your wallet? Let's break down everything you need to know about this card, from its benefits to its limitations. First, let's talk about the perks. You can earn 5% cashback on popular platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and other major online merchants. You also earn 1% cashback on other spends. If you frequently shop online or spend on essentials, this card is geared toward giving you some excellent returns. Plus, you get access to exclusive offers across dining, travel, and shopping. What about rewards? You can rack up reward points, which can later be redeemed for discounts, vouchers, and more, enhancing your shopping experience. There are special travel benefits, including complimentary lounge access at airports across India. But let's not forget about the fees. The card comes with an annual fee of 1,000 Indian rupees, but this can be waived if you spend over Indian rupee 1,000,000 annually. This makes the card even more appealing for frequent spenders. However, you should also be aware of the downsides. The cashback is capped at 1,000 Indian rupees per statement cycle, which limits your earning potential. There's also a 1% fuel surcharge, and certain benefits are tied to specific merchants, so you need to check where the rewards actually apply before swiping. Another point to note is the interest rates. Like most credit cards, if you don't pay your balance in full, interest charges can pile up quickly, with rates going as high as 3.49% per month. So, it's essential to use this card responsibly to avoid extra charges. If you're a millennial who loves to shop online, and you can meet the spending requirements for cashback and fee waivers, this card could be a valuable tool. However, if your spending habits don't align with the benefits or you prefer cards with more flexibility, you may want to look at other options. Ready to take the next step in making the right choice? Hit subscribe, give this video a like, and let's dive deeper into personal finance together.